Visiting Hiroshima, these outdoor spots are a must. Start at Miyajima Island, home of the iconic floating torii gate. Best views at sunrise or low tide for photos. Walk through Peace Memorial Park. Peaceful, green, and deeply meaningful. Don't miss the atomic bomb dome. Hike or take the ropeway up Mount Mizzen for breathtaking views of the Seto Inland Sea. Totally worth it. Relax at Shukein Garden, a stunning Japanese landscape garden perfect for a calm escape. Adventure lovers, cycle the Shimanami Kaido, ocean views, bridges, and island vibes. Save this for your Hiroshima trip and follow for more Japan travel tips.